How can I protect myself financially while my divorce is pending? Is it possible to get temporary spousal support in Kentucky? Attorney Eric Bates explains. Kentucky does sometimes award what is called spousal maintenance. However, the requirements in order to receive this maintenance can be quite stringent. A divorce law attorney in Elizabethtown, Kentucky can help you prove that you have an inability to support yourself without any spousal maintenance. It is much more likely that spousal maintenance will be ordered if you find yourself in one of the following situations. Your spouse has been convicted for domestic violence at least once during the course of your marriage. You are unable to support yourself primarily because of a physical or mental disability on the part of yourself or your child. The length of time that spousal maintenance will be required to be paid depends mostly on the length of your marriage. Any time that you face legal issues with the people in your life, such as divorce, separation, child custody, spousal support, adoption, parental rights, or child support, it is imperative to use the services of a family law attorney in Hardin County, Kentucky. These issues are delicate, time-sensitive, emotional, and of the utmost importance in your daily life. You will not regret investing in a qualified legal representative. For more information, an initial consultation is your next best step. Get the information and legal answers you are seeking by calling us today or visiting our website at www.bateslawoffice.net.